What up, world? I am DJ Craze Wayne, and welcome to Craze Kicks. How's everybody doing out there today? Hope all's well with you and yours. When I say yours, I'm not talking about your kicks, I'm talking about your family, your friends. It's most important. As you can see, we're 2 for 2. We got the Raging Bull 5s, and now we got the Hyper Royal Jordan 1s. 2 for 2 on the sneakers app. I don't know what's happening. My luck is crazy lately. We 2 for 2. And today is Tuesday, April 27th. Tomorrow is Wednesday, April 28th, the day that the University Blue Jordan 4s are releasing on the sneakers app. And you know I'll be trying for that. So maybe we could go 3 for 3. Who knows? Who knows? And then it's like, you know, after I hit 3 sneakers in a row, I feel like I need to take a break. But I'm also afraid of taking a break because I feel like if I stop my momentum, then I'll start losing again. So I don't know. I got some decisions to make with these upcoming sneakers, but we here. We got another pair of sneakers in, another unboxing. This sneaker I was willing to pay resale for if I didn't hit. So I'm happy I hit on this. So I saved a couple of dollars, and let's get right into it. Yep. Your Nike box, as you could tell. As you could tell by this Just Do It tape. Just Steal Me tape. The Just Steal Me tape. That's what I'm gonna call it. You know what this is. Anytime you see this box, you know what it is. And I can smell it. I can smell it already. You know the Jordan 1s have that good smell. So go ahead and check that out. The size tag. Size 10.5. Black and red. Nike box. Air Jordan 1 Retro High OG. This is the Hyper Royal White Royal. Size 10.5. That US size. Why did I throw the lid like that? Why did I throw the lid? You know your normal box. I don't know if you can see the stamp right there. Got that little Nike check right there. That swoosh. You know. And there you have it. The Air Jordan 1 Hyper Royals. In this nice Hyper Royal colorway. You got this white to break it up, and you got this nice smoke gray. Beautiful sneaker. Let's take both of them out. Let's take both of them out. Hope it's not, you know, too bright. That's not bad. You know your normal box. I've been seeing the sticker a lot lately. I don't know if this sticker always came with the Jordan 1s. I probably should check my Jordan 1 boxes, but I don't know what that sticker's about. The Jordan 1 Hyper Royals. If you know, you know. These look just like, these are just like the Turbo Greens that released. When did it release? 2019, I believe. Yeah, 2019 they released. And it wasn't that hype, tell you the truth. People didn't, actually they're right here. People didn't like them that much. See, you got the same texture. People was actually complaining about the wording right here. They didn't want that wording stuff right there. I'm like, that's what y'all worried about? Look how fly the sneaker is. Like, are you kidding me? But this was like going for retail on a you know, the aftermarket, on the resale market. And I saw the price starting to creep up, and I was like, I need to grab those before they go crazy. So I think I bought these for like $280 or something like that. And now they're going for like $600 and up. So happy I pulled the trigger and bought these. So there they go right there. Look, it's the 2 great sneakers that I have right now. I'm sure they're gonna keep doing the same type of material in different colorways. So imagine this in like a Chicago colorway or something like that. It would be crazy. Whew, look at. All right. Well, it's simple. Let's get into it. It's quick, simple review. You got this Hyper Royal type of suede, like a almost like a jean looking, like blue wash material. It's really nice. Is it suede? Like, This is nice. Smells great too. Yeah, so you got your blue on the toe cap, your blue right here, you know, your normal hyper blue. You got your ghost gray swoosh, the ghost gray on the back heel, your nylon tongue. You got your royal blue tag right here, Nike tag. You can see there your inner lining. It's that ghost gray. You have your extra laces, the Hyper Royals, your shoe tree, Got a white insole with a Hyper Royal Nike logo in there. This is always my issue, trying to get this insole out. Like, they really be gluing this stuff down sometimes. Oh, this one is not too bad. Not too bad. You go your insole, side sticker right there, 10.5. This is how your inside should look. See the stitching in there with the this cardboard? No, it's not cardboard. Alright. Yeah, simple, quick review. It's a Jordan 1 Hyper Royal in this beautiful, beautiful colorway. So nice to the touch. This leather feels good. You got your ghost gray outsole, your white midsole, I'm just admiring the sneaker. It's damn, this is nice. You know what? I'm going to look for a ghost gray pair of laces to go with these. They should have came with gray laces. Blue laces will work too. That's a nice pop for the summertime. And I always like white laces on a white tongue, so that's always my thing. The core purples, they didn't come with any white laces, but I definitely have white laces for those. I'm gonna put in there when I'm ready to rock those. So you know what time it is. Let's check them out on feet. So yeah, they look great on feet. Jordan 1s look great on feet. It's a known thing now. Like, everybody knows, everybody loves Jordan 1. So I mean, this is just a great colorway. I think the resale price is around $450, $500 right now, and definitely going to keep going up. I think I should double check that right now just to make sure. I'm giving you facts today, April 27th. In my size right now, so around 427. it's not too bad. Not too bad compared to the turbo greens is at 600. So yep. So if you like kicks like I like kicks, like, comment, subscribe. Also hit the bell to let me know if I upload a video. We still on the road to 500 subscribers. I will do a giveaway, just not sure what it is yet. So please tell a friend, tell a family member, tell your cousin, your uncles, your brothers, your sisters, your mom, your uncle, your grandmother, whoever. Tell everybody subscribe to the channel right now. Share the video, share the link, share every goddamn thing. You know what I'm saying? Yo, so with that being said, thank you for watching. I'm DJ Craze Wayne, and this is Craze Kicks. We out. Oh.